Hi, candy cup lovers. What are you putting in your candy cups for Easter? Let me show you what I did in mine and how I build it. I have a few hard candies and I got Easter colors. I'm going to empty this cup out on. Now, when you're building, you want to make sure that you get your card either inside the cup or attached to your balloon sculpture so people know where they can order their next cup from. So I put that in my cup. I want to go down a little bit more. Get my computer out of the way. All right. So for Easter, I want lots of colors. So as well as the Easter theme, I'm going to put some Skittles because it's nice, bright, and red on the bottom. And I'm going to put a green pop. You want to put the big stuff in first. You want to show the kids what you've built. So you want to put the letters towards the outside. I found some Oreo candy. Oreo cookie candy. Put that in there. And I have some pink nerds. That's large. Put that in. Now it's an Easter cup. So I got an Easter bunny. That'll fit into my candy cup. Scoop my candy to the side and I wedge that in so people can see the bunny. And I have some Smarties. I'm going to put some Smarties in the center because I want people to see these eggs and little bunnies that I put in. Little bunnies. Put the little bunnies in. Put the eggs in. Chocolate eggs, caramel eggs. I forget which is which. You could stop there. But no, let's squeeze in just a few more. I'm going to add another bunny on this side. Put that egg there. A few hard candies just because of their colorful wrappers. Now I can take a balloon. Let's go fun. I'm going to use a polka dot balloon. So this is what I'm putting in my candy cups for Easter. There we go. It clicks in flat. Tie this. It's ready for Easter. Now we're going to build the base of it. I'm going to do an Easter chick. So I'm going to go with a chrome mauve. And make as many flower petals as you can. Make them small. This cup is only 4 inches wide. So the loops have to be 2 inches to 3 inches to cover it decently. You really don't want to go larger than that. One, two, three, four, 5. I have 6 petals. I can get one more in. If you learn to make soft petals, then you'll be able to fit more petals on your flower. Now I'm pulling up the loops apart and setting them flat against each other to help them lay down because they get really wonky if they're not right. So there we go. I'm going to cut this part off. Scissors. Here they are. Now I'm going to go over and down, over and down just to make sure that air does not escape. Now I grab this by the knot, pull it up and down and in. This is the start of most of the candy cups that I make. Now we're going to do an Easter chick. I have a Pokadot 5-inch balloon. I'm going to take the scissors and I'm going to find the very, very center. The easy thing to do is to use U-glue dashes. It'll just stick right on. But if you're trying to be a balloon purist, snip the very tip off of your polka dot balloon. And then you take a stick. That's not a stick, that's a balloon. You see, this is a stick, this is a balloon. See? It's easy to get confused. I have a 6-inch quick link. It's a balloon that's made to have a tail. And we push the quick link into the balloon. We find that hole and we get the nozzle of the quick link through the hole. Then you grab it like this, and now we inflate the white balloon and the outer balloon will inflate too. I'm going to get my inflator on the table, push this down, and there we go. I got an Easter egg with an attachment point. There we go. I have attached the egg on. And now we're going to put an Easter chick on the top. This is our egg. So I guess I could have used green for this. You only need to inflate the yellow balloon halfway. You measure across how wide you want your chick to be. Twist it there. Now do a pinch twist. Measure back the other way. Pinch it down. Twist. So see how they match? Do the pinch twist. Take the nozzle and wrap the nozzle around the pinch twist 2 or 3 times. Now we're going to make little tiny feet. I mean little, because this is going to stretch to the middle and curve the balloon. So we're going to stretch there. We're going to take the egg. We're going to take the quick link nozzle, wrap it around 2 times, hook our thumb around, pull the tail of the quick link around to our thumb and pull it through and thus create a knot. Now we do another tiny bubble, stretch it over and wrap it around the other side. Break that off. So you have something that looks like this. And you can adjust it so it leans more forward. So 2 bubbles are pointing forward, and those 2 for the legs are sticking out the back. Now we're drawing on the beak and the feet. I'm going to change camera angles. Hold on a moment. Okay, here we are. We're back at the top of the balloon. You're going to want to do 2 parallel lines. Then do a triangle going down, do a triangle going up, and then fill in the triangles. That's the beak. The feet, you want to do the letter Y, a capital letter Y. Those are the feet. You could add a 3rd line going out if you like. Now we're going to get our black marker and make eyes. You can do huge eyes or tiny eyes. And then 1 corner of the circle. You do a big round dot, and then you can do a triangle pointing up and touching it in the other way. And then I fill in the circle above the triangle and below the triangle. This is one way to make really cute eyes. And if it's a girl chick, do a slight curve up. The faster you curve, the more natural it looks. It's a little girl chick. And then this piece, I just need to hide that by pulling it around my thumb and sticking the tail of the balloon through this loop and then let it go. And then I give a pull and it goes back into that joint nice and deep. Cheep, 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 cheep. And that is an Easter chick on an egg on a candy cup. I feel like I'm in a Dr. Seuss book. Have a happy Easter. Bye, everyone.